The justice system can be a confusing place to navigate. When you are arrested, the type of crime, state or federal, will determine which justice system you'll be tried in and the severity of the penalty. Of course, you're in for a rough time no matter which side your case is with. State crimes are crimes committed against a state criminal code. Each state is responsible for creating and enforcing its own set of crimes and how the state deals with them. This leads to situations where something can be legal in one state and illegal just across the border in the next state. Some states have written laws into their code that help defendants in criminal and civil cases more so than in other states, but no state can offer defendants less protections than those provided by the U.S. Constitution. This concept of federal law winning out over state law is known as the Supremacy Clause. In both the state and federal systems, you can be charged with misdemeanors and felonies. Misdemeanors are generally less serious crimes, but can still come with punishments including fines and jail time up to 1 year. While the exact definition of a felony varies between the different states and the federal government, felonies are considered more serious crimes and carry harsher punishments. The federal system operates in a similar fashion, just that federal laws apply to everyone, regardless of where they are in the country. The biggest difference is that federal prosecutors, the people arguing against the defense in a case, have the resources of the entire U.S. government behind them. A crime can be raised to a federal level crime for a number of reasons. Some state crimes can become federal when they are labeled as aggravated, meaning the crime is deemed more serious than other versions of it. Some crimes are federal in nature, including many cyber and hate crimes if the crimes happen across multiple state lines on federal property, and especially if it impacts those who work for the U.S. government. Whether a misdemeanor or felony, being convicted of a federal crime tends to come with more severe penalties, including higher fines and the federal prison system. They also limit a person's rights even after their sentence is served, including gun ownership and the ability to run for public office. Regardless of whether you're facing a misdemeanor or felony, a state or federal charge, it's important to know your rights, and wherever possible, consult a trained lawyer who can help you navigate this complex system.